Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a wild garlic and asparagus frittata. So you will need some eggs, you will need some potatoes, some wild garlic, asparagus, red onion and some olive oil. So what you want to do first is you want to finely chop all that wild garlic and your red onion as well, and then pop your potatoes into some water to let them boil till they're just about tender. Up 6 eggs with some salt and pepper, and then add in that wild garlic, mixing in really well. Next, pop in those tender potatoes you've just cooked and mix that into the egg. Gently fry off that red onion in a pan with some oil, and then pour in that egg mixture over the onions and let it cook gently. Nestle those asparagus tips on top of your frittata, and then when the underside of the frittata's cooked, then pop the whole thing in the oven or under a grill just to cook off the top bit. And there you have my glorious asparagus and wild garlic frittata, which is great for dinner or even for lunch.